Hello everyone. I am Jatin Patel and my group member is Himanshu Parmar from Department of Electrical Engineering 8th semester. So here we are going to present our project. Our project name is Field Oriented Control for Induction Motor Drives and its application. Our project guide is Miss Richa Dubey. Next please. Now induction motor is widely used in industry and recently has been put into electrical vehicle as the replacement of internal combustion engine. We will doing dynamic modeling of three-phase induction motor by using MATLAB Simulink. We will implement field-oriented vector control for three-phase induction motor. Next, please. Our objective is to implement Clark and Park transformation, dynamic modeling of three-phase induction motor, and FOC on induction motor. Next, please. Clark and Park transformation for an induction motor. Three-phase ABC to alpha beta 0 transformation is called Clark transformation. It gives output of two coordinates time variant systems. Alpha beta 0 to DQ transformation is called Park transformation. It gives output of two coordinates time invariant system. Next, please. In the Clark transformation, three-phase quantity, either voltage or current, varying in the time along the axis A, B, and C can be mathematically transformed into two-phase voltage or current. And this is the alpha beta 0 current equation in the matrix form. Next, please. This is the most important transformation in the field-oriented control. This projection modified the two-phase fixed orthogonal systems, means alpha beta into DQ rotating reference frames. And this is the equation of current in DQ form. Next, please. This is the vector diagram of Clark and Park transformation. Next, please. We are using field-oriented control method in which the stator current of three-phase electrical motor are identified as two orthogonal components that can be visualized with a vector FOC used to control induction motor. Now my group member Parmar Himanshi will continue.
Next slide. Types of reference frame: stationary reference frame and rotating reference frame. For any measure, relative speed must be 0 for operate. Next slide. Rotating reference frame. In rotating reference frame, speed of rotor field with respect to rotor winding is Sn, and speed of stator field with respect to rotor winding is Sns. So relative speed of rotating reference frame is 0. Next slide. Second, stationary reference frame. In stationary reference frame, speed of stator field with the respect to stator winding is Ns, and speed of rotor field with respect to stator winding is Ns. So relative speed is Ns minus Ns is 0. Next. Advantages of reference frame transformation. Advantages of reference frame is that the number of voltage equations are reduced and performance of electrical machine can be analyzed without complexity in the voltage equation. Next slide.
This is the simulation of three-phase induction motor. In this simulation, power GUI is used for continuous signal. Now, three-phase voltage source applied to the three-phase induction motor. Three-phase VI measurement is connected with supply. In the scope 2, describe three-phase voltage signal. By using Clark and Park transformation, ABC to alpha beta 0 convert and signal shown in scope 1. Then three-phase induction motor parameter measure and shown in scope 3. And now three-phase ABC transform into alpha beta 0 and then alpha beta 0 transform into DQ form and signal described in the connected scope. Next, please. This is the voltage source VA, VB, and VC. Next, please. This is a ABC to alpha beta 0 convert. First is alpha beta, and second one is zero transformation. Next, please. This is a IA, IB, and IC current, three-phase current. Next, please. This is the alpha beta 0 current, stator current. Next, please. Thank you.